Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can play high quality video on Wi-Fi only on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Accessibility, Display and Languages. Then tap on Data Uses. Next, you can see the option of high quality video. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of Wi-Fi only. Select on it. So this is how you can play high quality video on Wi-Fi only on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.